Ant colonies. Ant colonies are made up of different types of ants, each with a specific role. The structure of an ant colony includes the number and types of ants, the nest architecture, and the task each ant performs. Let us first talk about the ant types. The first ant type is the queen, the leader of the colony responsible for laying eggs. Queens are usually larger than workers and can live for decades. The second category is that of worker, the most common type of ant in a colony, responsible for building and maintaining the nest and caring for the queen and eggs. Workers are females and they are sterile. The third category is that of swarmer, also known as flying ants or drones. These are male ants that mate with the queen. They die after mating. Let us now discuss about the nest structure. Ant hills. They have solid outer structures that protect the colony from predators. Bridges. Ants build bridges over gaps in their path using their bodies as building blocks. Talking about the colony structure. First, about the colony size. Small colonies have a queen and a few workers, while large colonies can have millions of workers. Now they also have caste. Some species have multiple caste of workers, such as major and minor workers. Talking about the colony life cycle, ants undergo changes throughout their lives and the colony also goes through these changes.